Elitch Gardens. My wife has not seen what this ride does, so her reaction is probably going to be priceless.
Oh
This is the last aero launch loop I need to ride. Here we go. I love the drops in these.
I'm so scared. It's gonna happen.
Nothing to be scared of.
I'll show you my track. Oh my god. What's happening?
Well, we stopped on a track, so what do you think happens? One of a
So
few
we're
things.
gonna either launch backwards or drop. I think we're gonna go backwards.
A little suspense before this next part. You are correct.
I'm gonna throw up.
No, you're not.
I'm gonna throw up! Oh my god!
And that is Sidewinder. You didn't throw up.
Not yet.
Welcome back, riders. We hope you enjoyed your ride on the Sidewinder. When the train comes to a complete stop,